Hello guys, how are you? So today we are starting with class 9 chemistry chapter 3 atoms and molecules. We have already covered part 1 and part 2. This is part 3. So in part 3 we will learn molecules and ions. All the topics related to molecules and ions. So if you have not watched yet part 1 and part 2, please go and watch it. It will help you only. So please watch the video till end so that your concept will be more clear. So let's start our part 3. Now, what are molecules? Now, in part 2, we have already learned about atoms, that we have learned three things in atoms definition, that is, smallest unit of matter, shows the property of matter, of the particular matter, and it may or may not exist independently. So in molecules also we will learn three things, that is, first, when two or more atoms combine they form a molecule. Like we have seen that atom is the smallest unit, and when two or more atoms, means when two or more atoms are combining together they are forming a molecule. This was the first thing to remember in molecules. Now second thing, molecule exists independently. Like we have seen in atoms that it may or may not exist independently, but molecules are sure that they will exist independently. This was the second thing. Now third thing, shows the property of a particular substance. Like atoms were showing the properties of the particular matter, molecule will show the property of the particular substance. So three things what we have to remember in molecules, that is, when two or more atoms are combined together they form a molecule. Second, molecule exists independently. Third, shows the property of the particular substance. So now the molecules, there are two types of molecules, that is molecule of element and molecule of compound. Two types of molecule, molecule of element and molecule of compound. So molecule of element. Now what is molecule of element? When two or more same atoms combine together they form a molecule of element. Means we have studied that molecule, two or more atoms combine then they form a molecule. But for molecule of element, two or more same atoms are needed to combine and they will form a molecule of element. So for element we need same type of element, same type of atoms. When two or more same atoms combine together they form a molecule. So same atoms here in molecule of element. So what are the example, like O2, H2, O3, S8, N2. So here you can see in this example that they are same type of elements, like O and O comes O2, H and H becomes H2, and 3 times O3, ozone. So likewise sulfur atoms 8, then they become S8. Okay. So now what is atomicity? The number of atoms constituting a molecule is known as its atomicity, or number of atoms present in a molecule or ion is called its atomicity. Okay, so means atomicity is means that calculating how many atoms are there in a particular molecules. Like here you can see in this example, O2 means 2 atoms are there. H2 means 2 atoms of hydrogen. 3 means 3 atoms of oxygen. 8 means 8 atoms of sulfur. N2 means 2 atoms of nitrogen. Okay, so means like CO2. So means there are 2 O and 1 C. So 2 plus 1, that is 3 atoms are present in CO2. And like H2O, so 3 atoms, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atoms of oxygen. So 3 atoms. So means atomicity is very simple, that calculating how many atoms are present in a particular molecule. Okay. So substance having only one atom which exist independently in nature is known as monoatomic. Means while calculating atomicity, we found a molecule that it contains only one atom, then we will call that as monoatomic. If we will find two atoms in a particular molecule, then we will call it as diatomic. If we find three atoms, then we will call tetraatomic. And if we find more than three atoms, then we will call that particular as polyatomic. So for 1 we will call monoatomic, 2 diatomic, 3 tetraatomic, and more than 3, that is polyatomic. So atomicity topic is very easy. So now coming to molecule of compound, we saw that in molecule of element, two or more same atoms are combined to form a molecule of element. Now molecule of compound, when two or more different atoms in molecule of element, same atoms are combining, and in molecule of compound different atoms are combined together, they form a molecule of compound. For element, same atoms are combining, and for compound, different atoms are combining. Like example, CO2, H2O, CO. So here in examples, you can see that different atoms are combining. Like C, carbon and oxygen are different atoms, and hydrogen and oxygen are also different atoms. Carbon and oxygen are also different. And there in molecule of element, you can see that O and O are similar, means are same. H and H are similar. S is similar. N is also similar, means same, nitrogen. And molecule of compound, you can see different atoms. So for molecule of element, same atoms are combined, and for molecule of compound, different atoms are combined. Okay. So this is the table that water H2O, hydrogen and oxygen, ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen, now CO2, that carbon and oxygen. So here also you can see that different elements are combining. Different elements are combining, and for molecule of compound, same were there. So now we have discussed molecules, that for what three things we have learnt in molecule, that when two or more atoms combine, they will form a molecule. Second, they exist independently and they shows the property of that particular substance. And in that we have seen two types, that is molecule of element and molecule of compound. For molecule of element, same atoms are combined, and for molecule of compound, different atoms are combined. And atomicity means number of atoms present in a particular molecule. That for one atom we tell monoatomic, for two diatomic, for three tetraatomic, and or we can say as triatomic, and for more than three we call it as polyatomic. So now we have already covered molecules, and now coming to ions. So what are ions? We have already learned in our earlier classes that group of atoms carrying positive or negative charge, they are called ions. So what are ions? Atoms or group of atoms carrying positive charge or negative charge, they are called ions. So two types of ions, that is cation and anion. Cation means ion with a positive charge, and anion means ion with a negative charge. Okay, so cation means positive charge, anion means negative charge. Two types of ions. So now cations, that is atoms carrying positive charge, called cations. So in example you can see that Na plus means positive charge, Mg plus 2 means positive charge, Al plus 3, that is positive. And if we find a plus 1, positive 1, then we will call it as monovalent. If plus 2, then bivalent, and like plus 3, then we will trivalent. then we will call that trivalent. So for 1, monovalent, plus 2, bivalent, plus 3, trivalent. Okay, so what are cations? Atoms carrying positive charge are called cations. Now, polyatomic cations. Now, what are polyatomic cations? We have learned cations that they are carrying positive charge. So, what are polyatomic cations? Group of atoms carrying positive charge. There we have seen that cations means atoms, and for polyatomic we take group of atoms carrying positive charge are called polyatomic ions. So एक example, hydronium, H3O, ammonium, NH4. So these are the some examples of polyatomic cations. Now anions. Cations contain positive charge and anions contain negative charge. Atoms carrying negative charge are called anions. Example, Cl minus, O minus 2, N minus 3. So here in examples you can also see that they are carrying negative charge. So means they are anions. And if we find minus 1, then it is monovalent, minus 2 bivalent, and minus 3 trivalent. Okay. So now polyatomic anions. Group of atoms carrying negative charge are called polyatomic anions. Example, OH minus hydroxide, SO4 minus 2 sulfate, PO4 minus 2 phosphate ion. So these are some of the examples of polyatomic anions. So I hope that you are very clear with the topic molecules and ions. It's very easy, and ion is much easy compared to molecules. Okay, so I hope that full part 3 is very clear to you. If you have any doubts, please write in comment section and I will definitely reply to you. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share my video and subscribe my channel, and yes, hit the bell icon so that you will get my new videos updates. So stay tuned for my new upcoming videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.